Meet kaito, a versatile word you hear in conversations, emails, and tests. Imagine sounding more natural when you can express these ideas in Japanese. I will answer you soon. She found the answer. Please answer the question. Ready to level up your Japanese? Join the video and practice kaito with real examples and quick drills. Kaito. Kaito. The word kaito means an answer or response. It can refer to a reply you give in conversation or in writing, like an email or message. And it can also mean the solution to a question or problem, such as a test answer. Use kaito when someone asks for your reply or when you present the correct solution. And the exact nuance depends on the situation. A first kanji means turn or times. It shows the idea of rotation or how many times something happens. For example, the word ikkai uses this kanji to mean one time. The verb mawaru uses it to mean to turn. Remember this kanji when you count occurrences or talk about spinning. The second kanji means answer. It carries the idea of a reply or solution. For example, the verb kotaeru uses this kanji to mean to answer. The noun toan uses it to mean an answer sheet. This kanji often appears when someone gives a response or a solution. To answer, to respond. Gaitō suru. Gaitō suru. Please reply. Kaito o onegai shimasu. Kaito o onegai shimasu. Fill in the answer field. Kaito ran ni kinyū suru. Kaito ran ni kinyū suru. Already answered. Kaito zumi da. Kaito zumi da. High response rate. Kaito ritsu ga takai. Kaito ritsu ga takai. The most common synonyms of the kaito are kotae and hento. Kotae is the everyday word for an answer or solution and is more casual than kaito. It is often used in conversation and for simple factual answers. Hento is closer in formality to kaito and is used for replies, especially written or business responses, emphasizing the act of replying. The most common antonyms of the kaito are tsumon and toi. Tsumon means a question or inquiry and is the direct opposite of an answer. It refers to someone asking for information. Toi is a more abstract query or issue to be solved and can be used in formal or literary contexts. It emphasizes the problem or question rather than the response.